How to install previous versions of Adobe Creative Cloud apps. Adobe Creative Cloud is a collection of software and services for creative professionals, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and more Superscript 1. Sometimes, you may need to install previous versions of Adobe Creative Cloud apps for compatibility, stability, or preference reasons. Superscript 2. To install previous versions of Adobe Creative Cloud apps, you need to use the Creative Cloud Desktop app, which allows you to manage and update your app. Superscript 1. To do so, follow these steps. Open the Creative Cloud Desktop app by clicking its icon in your menu bar, Mac OS, or taskbar system tray, Windows. Scroll down to the app you want to install and click the More Actions icon, 3 dots, next to it. In the drop-down list, select Other Versions. In the list that appears, find the app version that you want to install and click Install. You may be prompted to uninstall the current version before installing the previous version. If you want to keep both versions, you can change the default uninstall preference in the Advanced Options menu. Wait for the app to install and launch it from the Creative Cloud Desktop app or your Applications folder. You have successfully installed a previous version of an Adobe Creative Cloud app. You can install up to 2 previous major versions of each app. However, some older versions may not be available due to licensing or compatibility issues. To update or reinstall your apps, you can use the same Creative Cloud Desktop app. Learn more, https://helpx.adobe.com/download-install/using/install-previous-version.html